Hello, welcome to the commissioning instructions for the Continental 1000 series of cabinets. Firstly, thank you for purchasing a unit from us, and we'll now talk you through the basic instructions. Having taken the unit off the pallet, it should look like this, with a cabinet and a monitor. Depending on which version you've purchased, you may or may not need all of the following instructions. If you have any questions at all during the installation, please contact the support team, whose details are on the side of the unit. The accessory pack contains the monitor post, the Visa bracket for the monitor, the RPM device, a DAD-C1 VCI if you have a Bluetooth unit, and the probe for the smoke meter. The parts required for fitting the monitor are the Visa bracket and the monitor post here. The screws required for installation of the monitor are in the information pack inside the door pocket. So remove the screws from the information pack and put the rest of the pack somewhere safe. Back in the door is a good idea. The monitor will be packed separately. Remove the monitor and place it on a flat surface, screen down, making sure not to damage it. The stand and power cable can be disposed of as not required. Attach the Visa mount to the monitor using the full screws provided, ensuring washers, and then tighten with a 2.5mm Allen key until tight. Repeat this process for all 4 screws. Unpack the monitor post. Remove the skiffy cap and the 2 plastic caps. Turn the post over and remove the Allen screw from the back of the monitor post. Okay, take the monitor post, feed the power and HDMI cables into the monitor post. Out through this gap. And this is as fiddly as it looks. Drop the monitor post into the unit. Secure with the Allen bolt. And then fit the skiffy cap over the 2 cables and back into the monitor post. You're now ready to attach the monitor. Remove the bolt from the Visa mount and then lift the monitor onto the trolley. And drop the bolt through from the top. Attach the nut to the bottom and then tighten the nut and bolt up. The nut head and bolt head are 2 different sizes. Okay, so tighten the bolt. And then refit the plastic covers. You then connect power and HDMI onto the monitor. Inside the accessory box is an RPM adapter. Take the device and the cable, it's keyed, push in and turn. This unit then lives inside the cabinet next to the printer. Open the top door and place the RPM adapter on the hook, tucking the wiring next to it. Smoke probe is attached to the front of the smoke meter by lining up, giving a firm push and then tightening the nut. If you have a Bluetooth version, it then sits back on the cradle, ensuring that it sits on the contact point and the probe tucks away. If you have a cable version, there will be a cable. The fitment is exactly the same. To fit the gas sample probe, grab the filter, split the sample probe from the pipe. Sample probe then pushes through the side of the unit. This part connects onto the brass connector for the water trap. The hose feeds through the P-clip. So, with the pipe fed through and the filter attached, remove the P-clip, which is a 7mm nut. Clip the P-clip round the hose, reconnect, and then reattach the P-clip to the side of the cabinet. This ensures the sample pipe doesn't get dislodged when things are put in and out of the cabinet. The gas probe then goes around the bracket, safekeeping the probe gets into the pipe on the side. The leak cap is in the accessory kit. Best place to keep this is on the side of the unit, so get the chain around the handle and clip it together so it doesn't get lost. If you've ordered a Bluetooth combi or ordered this as an accessory, you'll have a DADC1, which is the VCI. There is a lanyard which fits to the back of the unit for safekeeping, and that fits by threading this through. And then there is an extension cable which fits to the front of the unit. This helps protect the pins on the actual unit. The extension cable and VCI are then designed to fit in this space on the top of the trolley. Final part of the assembly is to take the power cable, which is angled, and connect it to the side of the unit. Remove the plastic cover, plug the lead into the side of the unit, and then secure the cable with the P-clip. Connect to the conventional mains. The power switch, depending on, again, the type of unit you've ordered. If it's a cabled unit, the power switch is a straight on-off switch. If it's a Bluetooth unit, on is the entire cabinet powered, The off position leaves the smoke head and the oil temperature probe charging, and should be left in this position overnight to ensure everything is charged. The unit will need to be connected to the internet. We find that a hardwired connection is best, although you can use Wi-Fi. To access the back of the PC, we remove the two quick access releases and lift the cover clear of the keypad. Once you've made your connection, to turn the PC on, open the printer door. Power is at the top of on the PC. At this point, you will need to have ordered your MTS keys from the DVSA website, and once you have that email secure, please contact our support desk, who will dial in and finish installing the keys.